Hey, foodies! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of classic comfort food with a recipe that's sure to warm your soul. We're making a delicious and hearty tomato basil soup that's perfect for any season. If you're a fan of rich, flavorful soups, you're in for a treat. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tasty recipe. Now, let's jump into it. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this fantastic tomato basil soup. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 cans, 28 ounces each, whole peeled tomatoes. 4 cups vegetable broth. 1/2 cup fresh basil, chopped. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/2 cup heavy cream, optional, for a creamy texture. Sauté aromatics. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and sauté until it becomes translucent. Next, add in the minced garlic and cook for an additional minute until it becomes fragrant. Tomato time. Now, it's time to add our star ingredient. 2 cans of whole peeled tomatoes. Break them up with a spoon as you add them to the pot. The juices from these tomatoes will give our soup a rich and robust flavor. Seasoning. Season the mixture with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt, and pepper to taste. Stir everything together and let it simmer for about 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Adding basil. Chop up 1/2 cup of fresh basil and add it to the pot. Basil and tomatoes are a match made in culinary heaven, and they will elevate the taste of our soup to a whole new level. Blending. Once everything is nicely simmered and infused with flavor, it's time to blend the soup. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot or transfer the mixture to a blender for a smoother consistency. Finishing touch. If you prefer a creamy tomato basil soup, add in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. This step is optional, but it adds a luxurious and velvety texture to the soup. Final seasoning. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if needed. You can add more salt, pepper, or basil according to your preferences. And there you have it, a steaming bowl of homemade tomato basil soup that's both comforting and bursting with flavor. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy every spoonful. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Until next time, happy cooking!